Hey, what is up people, my name is Kaustuv, you are watching Technobuff channel, and in today's video I'm gonna review my DSLR camera, that is Canon's 3000D. Without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video, but first let's roll the intro.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So this is the camera that I've been using for the past 8 to 9 months, and I will share some of the pictures that I've clicked at the end of this video. So watch the full video and do hit the like button if you like this video, and also subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. So guys, this is the camera, and talking about the design and build quality, this is a plastic material and it's quite ordinary, nothing great about this. On the back you get a 2.7-inch LCD screen, and all the buttons are on the right. That is a good thing, so that you can navigate between different settings or adjust the different settings of the camera. Talking about the modes, you get a dialer on top, and there are different modes such as manual mode, aperture priority, shutter priority, automatic mode, video mode, etc. There is no separate on off switch on this one, guys, and this might disappoint you and you might end up switching off your camera while switching between different modes. So that's a con of this, that you don't get a separate on off switch for this one. You get this dialer kind of thing to adjust the aperture and shutter of the camera while shooting, and you get a viewfinder on top of this camera as well. You also get a flash to shoot in the night time, and you get a good grip on the right to hold this camera on firmly. On the right side you get HDMI port as well, and there is some other port, I guess it is micro USB maybe. I didn't check that because I share my photos over Wi-Fi. I will come back to that later on. But on the bottom side you get battery and memory card slots, wherein you can pop in the battery and memory card, and you get a hole for mounting this camera on the tripod. On the left hand side there is a branding of Canon's 3000D, and here you get a button to remove the lens or push it in. So that's about the design and build. So talking about the functionality and processing next, there are different types of options in manual mode like ISO, shutter speed, then aperture mode, and etc. So the ISO that it supports is from 100 to 6400. The shutter speed that it supports is 30 second to 1 by 2000 of the second, and then there is a bulb option as well, and then there is a aperture mode as well, wherein aperture adjustment as well, which depends on the lens, but camera supports up to f by 22. If you are using a prime lens, and then you get a nice bokeh effect with 1.8 aperture, but kit lens you get 3.5 to 5.6, something like that. So as per your requirement you can choose the lens. And talking about the talking about the picture quality, it's quite decent in the daytime, but it disappoints you during the night time because there is quite a lot of noise in the pictures, and you can't really help yourself with that because it's an entry level DSLR. Talking about the picture quality, I would suggest you to shoot pictures in RAW plus JPEG, so that if you are editing your pictures you can edit in it in raw format, because that gives you more details, more clarity. RAW plus JPEG, because JPEG you can view the images and you can edit later on in raw format. So that was about the picture quality. Talking about the sensor and megapixel count, this is a 18.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, and it is powered by Digic 4 Plus processor. Camera works smooth, no doubt, but sometimes I found that this camera lags in between. Sometimes the display head turn off, that is the con that I found, like adjusting the manual settings and all. The display just turned off for like 4 to 5 seconds, and later on I had to off the camera, like, and off it and again turn it on and switch back to manual mode. So that is the con that I have found on this device. There are 9 autofocus points on this one. And next I would talk about is battery and storage. You get a 1020 mAh lithium ion battery with this one inside the box, and a charger, and you get a 16 GB memory card. It requires 2.5 to 3 hours to charge the battery completely, and you can click up to 500 pictures on a single charge, but depends on what kind of use you what how you use the camera and all, apart from clicking the pictures. Next up is the memory card is 16 GB, and you can store up to 600 photos. I use the RAW plus JPEG format, so I have seen that 600 photos the memory card gets full. So if you are clicking more kind of pictures and all, then I would recommend you to buy a 64 GB memory card and pop it in inside a memory card reader and then put it in. So that would be sensible. That's about the 16 GB memory card. Last thing I would like to tell you is the connectivity, that it supports Wi-Fi connectivity, and you can share using Canon's Camera Connect app. And talking about finally my experience about this one, it's been quite good. Since 8 to 9 months I've been using this camera, and it makes worth if you are buying this camera for below 25,000. Like I got this camera for 18,999 in Big Billion Day sale. If you get this camera for around 22,000 or so, then you can go with this. There is sometimes offer that a seller offers prime lens as well, and price comes to around 27,999 or 26,999. So if you get that offer also, it is quite good, because if you are shooting portraits and all, you get extra lens. So right now the price is 25,999 with single lens, and I would not suggest you to go with that price, because it's only a single lens. If you don't want this one, then you can put in extra 5 to 7,000 and go for Nikon's D3500. That is pretty decent camera. Beginner photographer. So that's pretty much it in this video, guys. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit the like button, also share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it's free. So I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, it's goodbye from Technobuff. Take care, stay safe, and stay at home.